Barda update, yung post ni Barbie sa kanyang Instagram. Sabi niya, that's.me at taping ng Beauty Empire dyan sa Cavite. Yung sa post ni Miss Rupa Gutierrez. Ito pa yung eksena nila. Oh.
Hello, ako ang pinakamaganda. Ako ang pinakamaganda.
What happened, Emma? What happened, Sharon? What happened, Lynn? Why are you guys fighting? I know. You're the Empire, right? Don't fight. I fight for you. I have died every day waiting for you.
Yun, no? Beauty Empire. Salit ng salita, eh.
Streaming soon on View.
Ayan, no? Beauty Empire. Nabangan na yan, siyempre. Saka ito pa, kay David, and during contract signing ng endorsement niyang Glutalipo. At in-interview pa nga si David ni Nelson Canlas. Saka ito pa yung behind the scene ni David sa kanyang endorsement na Glutalipo. Yun, no? Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. This is Richard Anshum Live. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.